understand what God has bestowed upon you.
The capacity,
the deposit of God inside of you before you talk about marriage. See, you have to define your life first. Marriage is not the first thing. Life does not begin with a relationship. Marriage as a life begins with a definition. If you fail to define your life as a single person, you will be lost as a married person. If you don't define your life as a single person, that this is who I am, you will be lost as a married person. So, ewo nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run kọ́kọ́ fún Ádámù nígbà tó yá. Kò kọ́kọ́ fún ní aya o. Ọlọ́run fún Ádámù láya. Ó fún ní kinní kan iṣẹ́. Ó ní inú ọgbà Édẹ́nì rèé lọ máa ró kó máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ádámù ibi tó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ nínú ọgbà Édẹ́nì, ó lè sọ wípé ibẹ̀ ló ti mọ̀ wípé lion lélẹ̀, tiger lélẹ̀.